Hello and welcome. This is called how to make Nestea original lemon iced tea. First thing you gotta do is you open up this lid and you go ahead and you scoop the mix and you pour it into this cup, the mix of Nestea original lemon iced tea. And now you pour in the hot water and you just give me a second, please. Excuse me. And after that, you stir up the mix with the hot water. This is actually called hot Nestea original lemon iced tea, by the way. And it's good for winter, Christmas, New Year's, and Valentine's Day. So if you like this drink, let me know if you like it so I can make more drinks. Thanks for watching and have a good night, everyone.